Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can make a partition from your hard disk drive or SSD. So first you have to go in search in here in besides the Windows icon, disk management. Search the disk management. So here you can see that the new volume contains 443 GB. So I want to make new partition from it. You have to go in, right click in there and shrink the volume. It takes some time, and as you can see that we have to shrink the volume in MB. So for the idea I want to show that 240 GB is converted to 240,000 MB. So you have to write it there in it is this amount of MB we will convert it into new volume, which is the partition. So now click shrink, and as you can see that the unallocated memory. So now right click, new simple volume, next, and next. By default everything you can see that the name is G, and next and next. So our new volume is already assigned. So make sure that it is working perfectly, and that's why we have to check this thing, I mean the new volume. So G is initialized and we can use it. So, and if you want to delete the new partition, so you have to click it and right click there and delete the volume. Before deleting the volume, make sure that all the information or data are trustworthy, and make sure that it's safe, otherwise you will lose all the data from that partition. So if you delete, then it will be unallocated. So that's it. And same the procedure you have to do, that allocating the new simple volume. So this is how you can assign the partition. So in this video I think that you will learn how you can make the partition and how you can delete the specific partition. So that's the all about in this video. Hopefully it will help you.